the ABCs of revolution. Authoritarians act as if alternatives aren't available. Actually, an alternate actuality is attainable. Anarchists articulate alternative approaches. Our affliction is atrocious. AIPAC aid for armaments leave adolescents armless as Assad attacks Aleppo, and barrel bombs blast. We're at the bottom of the barrel and it's breaking me. Bosses breaking bread with bombers as bombs blast. Bread lines and bakeries. But we got bravery. Building back these buildings brick by brick. From Brixton to Beirut to the barrios is one battle. To beat Bolsonaro and Benjamin Netanyahu. They want me behind bars, but I'm bringing bars to get behind. Careful with the chatter, I could get confined. Cops putting children in cages, calling them criminals. Can you see why I'm cynical? They're calling it correctional. Correction, it's based on your complexion. This concept is not complex. Coloring class is the context of the carceral state. So if you come from council estates, it's checkmate. So check yourself before you catch a case. A cold cell awaits, so stay cognizant. Create class consciousness in your community. Capital constraints you and me. As corporations circulate carbon, circumstances darken. Couple degrees different and we're done for. Dreaming we could have done more. But our dollars went to drone wars. Donors, dust, debris, drop down on distant districts by the decree of democracy as defined by the dominant, disguised by deceptive discourse. They depend on discord, divide and conquer. I deny their dictates like draft dodgers. Yo. Meddling motivates migration. Mainstream media makes money off misrepresentation, misquoting Muhammad and making Muslims monolithic. Misinformation maintains a mood of militarism. Meanwhile, militant movement making is my mission. How many martyrs miss it for the metrics of the market? I'm modeling my message on the methods of the Marxist. Marketplaces hit by mortars, morbid morality. Many men maintain a missionary mentality. Well, mass murderers amass more, I mobilize the masses. My mind is moving a mile a minute, I'm manic. Panicked prisoners, paranoid paces. Palestinians practice parkour in public places. Prior to becoming private property, people live in poverty. The powerful are predominantly preoccupied with profiting. Participatory politics is my prerogative. While parties and parliaments pander to populists, I'm politicizing the populace until the proletariat's prosperous. And you already know what it is. It's the ABCs of revolution.